Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best EverPure bond is probably one of the most exciting hair care discoveries in recent years, especially if you're dealing with damaged hair. This dynamic duo promises to repair and protect your hair from the inside out, leaving it feeling stronger, smoother, and more vibrant. But does it live up to the hype? Join me as we dive deep into the science, the results, and whether this shampoo and conditioner set is the right choice for your hair care routine. Number 5. L'Oréal Paris EverPure Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This set is designed to provide moisture without weighing your hair down. It's specially formulated for color-treated and dry hair, ensuring your hair stays healthy and vibrant. The shampoo and conditioner are enriched with rosemary botanicals. These ingredients deeply replenish dry hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and full of moisture. You'll see a noticeable difference. Enjoy a luxurious lather and a fresh fragrance. The scent profile includes rose, cedar, bergamot, and musk, providing a sensorial experience. It's a treat for your senses. These EverPure hair products are made without sulfates, parabens, and other harsh ingredients. They are always color-caring and powered by science, ensuring the purest respect for your hair. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with the highest quality. This set is part of a complete beauty care line, offering the ultimate in hair and skin care. What we like? This shampoo and conditioner set is all about hydration. It replenishes moisture, leaving your hair soft and shiny. If you have color-treated or dry hair, this is a great choice. You'll love how it smells and feels. What people say? The shampoo and conditioner left my hair feeling soft and manageable. The product is sulfate-free. The shampoo and conditioner have a pleasant scent. Number 4. L'Oréal Paris EverPure Purple Shampoo and Conditioner. Tired of brassy tones? This shampoo and conditioner set is designed to neutralize those unwanted yellows and oranges. It will help keep your blonde looking fresh and vibrant. Color-treated hair needs extra care, and this set delivers. Infused with hibiscus and purple dye, it moisturizes while it tones. Your hair will feel soft and healthy. For best results, use this system 2 to 3 times a week. Apply the purple shampoo to wet hair, leave it in for up to 2 minutes. Then, follow with the purple conditioner. This formula is made without sulfates, parabens, or harsh salts. It's gentle on your hair and color. You can feel good about what you're using. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with high quality. This set is part of a complete beauty care line. It is designed to give you the best results. What we like? Are you a blonde, or do you have highlights? This purple shampoo and conditioner will be your new best friend. It neutralizes brassy tones and keeps your color looking fresh. If you are looking for a way to maintain your perfect blonde, you should consider this. What people say? The shampoo and conditioner have a pleasant scent. The product effectively cleanses the hair. The conditioner leaves hair feeling soft and manageable. Number 3. L'Oréal Paris EverPure Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner. Are you tired of thin, fragile hair? This system is designed to fortify your hair. It injects strength, making it 15 times stronger than before. This shampoo and conditioner set is gentle on fine hair. It avoids harsh ingredients that can strip and damage your hair. It also has a fresh, pleasant fragrance. For the best results, use the EverPure Thickening Shampoo and Conditioner together. This nourishing system helps to fortify thin and fragile hair, giving it the care it deserves. These EverPure hair products are made with respect for your hair. They are formulated without sulfates, parabens, and other harsh ingredients. It's also color-safe and powered by science. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with high quality. They offer a complete range of beauty products for hair, skin, and cosmetics. You can trust them for your beauty needs. What we like? Dealing with thin or fragile hair? This set is designed to fortify and strengthen. It makes your hair look and feel thicker. If you like having stronger, fuller-looking hair, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? The shampoo and conditioner have a great scent. The shampoo and conditioner left my hair feeling soft and manageable. The shampoo and conditioner made my hair look and feel healthy. Number 2. L'Oréal Paris EverPure Bond Repair Kit. Introducing the EverPure Bond Repair Kit from L'Oréal Paris. This shampoo and conditioner set is designed to repair weak bonds in your hair. It helps to revitalize your hair, leaving it silky and smooth. This sulfate-free formula is perfect for colored, bleached, or damaged hair. The shampoo and conditioner contain citric acid. It penetrates the hair cortex to rebuild weak bonds and strengthen your hair. Start by applying the bond-strengthening shampoo to wet hair. Massage it gently into a lather and rinse thoroughly. Then, follow with the bond-strengthening conditioner. Leave it on for 3 minutes before rinsing. EverPure products are formulated without sulfates, parabens, and other harsh ingredients. This kit is gentle on your hair. It is color-caring and powered by science. L'Oréal Paris combines the latest technology with the highest quality. This kit is part of a total beauty care company. It provides the ultimate in hair care. What we like. If your hair is colored, bleached, or damaged, this is the set for you. It repairs weak bonds, leaving your hair revitalized and smooth. It penetrates the hair cortex to rebuild weak hair bonds and help strengthen hair. If you like having silky, smooth hair, you should consider this. What people say. The shampoo cleans gently without stripping my hair's natural oils, and the conditioner adds the perfect amount of moisture and shine without weighing it down. Your hair actually comes out very soft, silky, shiny smooth, and it does tame the frizz. I love how smooth and soft my hair feels after it dries. Number 1. L'Oréal Paris EverPure Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Introducing the L'Oréal Paris EverPure Deep Nourish Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This set gently cleanses and deeply moisturizes dry, brittle hair, leaving it silky soft and shiny without weighing it down. You'll notice a healthier look after just one use. Dry, damaged, or color-treated hair needs special care. This shampoo and conditioner, infused with apricot oil, is gentle and effective. The formula won't strip your hair or dull its color, providing a rich, aromatic experience. For optimal results, use the EverPure shampoo and conditioner together. This system provides a complete nourishing experience, deeply hydrating and softening your hair. This will help to keep your hair healthy. EverPure products are formulated without sulfates, parabens, and other harsh ingredients. They are also free of DMDM-hydantoin, phthalates, dyes, and gluten. This ensures the purest care for your hair, always color-caring and powered by science. L'Oréal Paris is a total beauty care company, combining the latest technology with the highest quality. They offer a wide range of products for hair color, hair care, skin care, and cosmetics. They are dedicated to providing the best products for you. What we like. This shampoo and conditioner is specifically designed for dry hair. It provides deep moisture, leaving your hair soft and shiny. If you are looking for a way to nourish and hydrate your dry hair, you should consider this. What people say. The shampoo and conditioner left my hair feeling soft and manageable. The product is great for color-treated hair. The shampoo and conditioner smells great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.